happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this Fiesta ST Mark 7 that's come in for a res delete and bat box delete. And as you can hear in the background, Ryan is now actually welding up the res delete. So obviously we can see what he has removed. So this is the res, that is the bat box, and this is the res delete section. So obviously it's been MIG welded. And then obviously we're going to build it all the way to the back of this. Well, obviously that's going to stay as it is. And then we're going to build the new bat box section into the gap here. So it'll go over the axle and then out to the back. And hopefully it's going to sound really good. It's going to be loads louder as well. So let's get it. We see a wild welder in action. So as you can see, Ryan has now attached the bat box delete pipe to the flange at the back. Then we have the hangers that are holding the car, holding the exhaust up, and then it's come straight through to the double tip at the back, which looks really nice in the back end of this car now. So now we're going to drop it down, give you a start up and see what it sounds like. Yeah, boy! So, as you can see, guys, the car looks and sounds loads better with these new tips on the car and with the res and bat box delete as well. So, if you want, like him, a res delete or a bat box delete or any other custom exhaust work, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see ya in the next one.